Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use my World Cup 2018 Scoresheet with a top scorer feature. Here you can track goal scorer of each team and also to see top scorer by the end of the tournament. How to use spreadsheet is very simple. You just need to type the score and then type the player who select the player who scored it. I'm still using dummy player here. This is not official player because you need to wait until I think in middle of May for every team to announce their official players. You can update it when all official players have been released. Okay, I'll start. I'll start by typing the score. For example, here Russia win by 1-0. You will see a blue boxes will be shown here. This is a box where you have to select the player who scored it. For example, here I put Alexander Kokorin. Then continue to second match. To here, you can select Salah, and then for Uruguay, maybe Cavani and Suarez. Okay. Portugal 0-0. Or this one 0-0. Portugal 3-2. Okay. Maximum players is 8. So if score is go beyond 8, so you have to pick one that you think the player might become a top scorer. Okay, what about if there is own goal here? For example, Portugal. They get own goal from David Silva. You can select players with the own goal, with a bracket with own goal. You need to select that to prevent him go at his goal. Okay, and then you can select maybe Andre Silva, Ronaldo. Or maybe 3. Yeah, it's just sample. Type maybe apa Morata, David Silva. After you complete typing all the scores and selecting all players, at the bottom of this group stages worksheet, you can see the standings. The standing will be automatically adjusted by the Excel formula, and then you can see at the right side is the top scorer after the group matches. And you can see at this point after group match, Edinson Cavani and Harry Kane lead all goal scorers. After this, you can go to the knockout stage. You can go here to continue typing the score. Here, there are additional box here. This is a normal time box, extra time box, and penalty kick. You can continue, example 0, 0, and then extra time 0, 1. If it is ended by 1, 1, you still need to type the penalty kick score. Yeah. Maybe if okay. Penalty kick, you don't have to type goal score of the penalty kicks because it won't be included in the top score list. Okay, here Uruguay, for example, if you put in and then this, okay, you can continue until you can do similar typing scores until the final tournament. All teams here will be placed automatically. But if you found that the team are not matched with the original one, you can just type this team name. Okay, here I have all scores and all scores. Okay, and then you can see that here in this simulation, Germany won the World Cup, but the top score is not from Germany, it's from Argentina, Lionel Messi, and then you can see this top score here. But if you go to the right side, you will see this reorder rank. It is used if the tiebreaker regulation for top scorer in the World Cup, if more than one player have similar goals, they will be ranked based on the assists, their assist. If assist also still similar, and then they will be ranked based on the shorter playing times, shorter minutes. But I try to simplify this. So you just put this is the order rank. Just if two players, so it is 1 or 2. If you think Hurricane is not if based on that assist or based on the playing time, Hurricane is better than Lionel Messi, then you can put this one. So, if you think you can put this one and then put these two, and then top scorer will be switched. Okay guys, I think it's very simple. I think you can just go to the website and download the free version of this spreadsheet. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.